coffee. Hey guys, Sean here. I hope you're all doing well. I want to start off by saying I'll try to make this a quick one. Testing out 3 different razors. 2 of them, the first 2, are honed on my new JNat bench stone, and I'm testing not the razors themselves, but well, yeah, I am the razors, but also the bench stone itself. It's a Shohonyama Asagi something else between in the middle of that. I don't know Japanese yet. And the last one is my attempt at doing a it's actually 1 stone hone, but I said in the last video 1 hone stone, and it's gonna stay 1 hone stone. All right, so this was Eric the Cajun Blade helped me with the process of how to gauge the natural, and this started at the 1.5 bevel set, and then we worked our way to the bench stone. He knows better what we did. I'm not going to explain it here. All right, I like that. I liked how that felt. This is the same stone, same procedure, but starting off from the 5K. And this one is slightly better. They both HHT. Going back and forth here. And you can see there's some stubble there. This is a huge sponge. Yeah, the going from the 5K is a little bit smoother, but this is still great. All right, I'm gonna finish off the shave with actually, let me use the Coticule now. 1 hone stone here on this side of the face, just to make sure that we have some growth there to compare it with. It's shaven. Let me do very light passes. All right. Now I'm going to try and finish the shave. With the Coticule edge. And then here's the real test with all these razors, and I would say it's going against the grain. I just gotta point it out that Eric had made a awesome video at the in Florida. He's in vacation. Well-deserved vacations, my friend. You look happy. That's good. I'm happy for you, my friend. And great shave. All right. I like that. Let's go with the Coticule here. Coticule, yeah, man. Like you don't feel the edge sometimes, but it's taking off. It's taking off hair. This is the J-Net going from the 5K, and this one's definitely feels the keenest. In the microscope, I don't know. It didn't look that different to me with the 1.5 going to the Shono. But apparently it's the best right now in my opinion. Let me try the Coti here again. I still feel like there's a lot of improvement I can do with the Coti. All right, here's the stupid. I shouldn't do this, but I always do it against the grain. Fool's pass. All right. Alrighty. So there we go. We got the shave done. I got a shaving Coti edge. It's shaving. But there's still room for improvement for sure. And then I'm really happy with that. So this was the one stone hone. Happy with that. This is the Shohonyama Asagi, but we started with the bevel at 1.5 and we went straight to the Tomo slurry on the Shono, and this one performed really good. I'm impressed because I just went from 1.5 straight to the JNat finisher, so that tells me there's range in that stone. I feel I could have benefited from doing a second set of laps in a heavier slurry. I only did one. And then this one was the one that performed the best. And this one had the bevel set at 1.5. We worked at the 5K. And then we jumped into the JNat finisher, Shohonyama, whatever, with Tomo slurry. And this one performed fantastic. Let's finish off here with, I'm already like past the time I wanted to make for this video. I'm probably like if I had to guess, 12, 14 minutes. Anyways, Aquavelva. Oh yeah. And really, no sting there, so I'm happy. We'll see how I'm feeling tomorrow, but that was a pretty good shave. I said this before, I think at the beginning of the video, but I always read your comments. I always reply to them. I really appreciate everybody watching these videos. You know, I'm just a guy shaving in a bathroom, so you guys are my friends, and yeah. Have a good, what is it today? Today's Saturday, but I'll probably post this Sunday. Have a good Sunday, and God bless.